Keep bathroom air fresh after cleaning by controlling moisture, removing odor sources, and maintaining continuous airflow. Start by running the exhaust fan for at least 20 minutes during and after showers to remove humid air at the source. If your fan is weak, clean the grill and ductwork, and consider upgrading to a higher cubic feet per minute unit sized for your bathroom square footage. Open the window and the bathroom door briefly after cleaning to create cross ventilation and let residual cleaning fumes and moisture escape. Use desiccant packs or a small container of baking soda hidden on a shelf to absorb lingering odors between deep cleans. Avoid heavily scented aerosols that mask smells and can leave residues that mix poorly with cleaning agents. For long-term control, inspect and repair grout and caulk lines where water traps and mold can form, and run a humidity monitor to keep relative humidity below 60%. People often forget to run the fan long enough, which lets moisture linger and causes musty smells. So set a timer or install a humidity sensing switch that keeps the fan on until the air is dry. Another common issue is blocked or dirty fans and vents, which reduces effectiveness. So remove the grill and vacuum or wash it quarterly, and check the roof or wall vent cap for obstructions. Finally, using strong scented products to cover odors can create chemical combinations that smell worse. So eliminate the source by cleaning drains, laundering curtains and mats, and using odor absorbers instead of masking sprays. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare profiles, reviews, and project photos to choose the right professional for ventilation or mold remediation work. We also help contractors find homeowners with projects and participate in our discussion community, where we share tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot common home air quality concerns together.